Alrighty, so I am actually here for you today just to do some blood work on you, okay? So I do just have to get your vitals. I see the orders that your provider put into the system, so I'm just going to draw up a couple tubes of blood, and then I will be out of your way here, and your doctor's probably going to come in later tonight to check on you as well and to go over those lab results with you. Okay, cool. Do you mind confirming your first and last name? Date of birth? Okay. Any issues with needles? Any history of passing out or anything like that? Okay. Just want to make sure. So let me just get everything ready for you then today. We are going to, let's get your vitals first, and then we can kind of set up the station here. Let me grab my stethoscope. We'll just make sure vitals are good before we draw your blood, and then you should be good to go. Any questions? Yeah, I know. A lot of people that are staying here are kind of used to it, so. But you seem to be doing a lot better, so that's good. Alright, let's just slide this into your arm there. Make sure everything is nice and snug. And I am just going to put this here for you. Alright. It's going to get a little bit tight here. Bear with me. Blood pressure seems nice and steady, so that's good. I'll probably take this off, especially if I'm doing blood work on you. Okay, let me get the extra air out of here. And then get your temperature real quick. Do you mind sliding your arm out? There you go. Perfect. I should probably detach this actually. Give me 1 second. I always forget to do that part. There we go. Less likely for it to break, you know. Alright. Yeah, your blood pressure was good. It was 110/84. That's your manual pressure. Okay. Now so we're all good to go with blood pressure. Let's go ahead and get that temperature real quick. And I'm just going to sanitize here. Okay, let's see what we're working with. Now, there's been like a huge supply shortage, so we never know anymore, to be honest with you. Okay, let's get this alcohol swab prepped and ready here. Okay, this is going to go underneath your tongue. It is a little broken, so I'm so sorry. Might take a little bit. Come on. Okay, perfect. No high fever, so that's good. Let's just wipe this down here. Let's back this up. I'll just just make a note of that in your chart, and then we'll just get your blood work going. Okay. Okay. Do you have an arm preference for your blood work? Let me just set you up over here. I'm going to move your gown a little bit just so it doesn't get in the way of anything. Perfect. I'm going to put some gloves on. Oh. Okay. If you wouldn't mind, I do just want to take a quick look at your arms here and make sure your veins we're looking good here. This arm, yeah. Yep, I could definitely work with that, no problem. Alright, so let me see here. Let me grab my kit. Tourniquet. Bandage ready to go. Got our needle. Gauze. More gauze. Another needle. I think we'll need 2 of those anyway. So that works out. And this is actually something for you to squeeze. Okay. So I'm going to hand this to you. You're just going to want to squeeze it when I tell you to, okay? But I am going to wrap this on here. You could start squeezing that ball for me here. Perfect. I do have to sanitize and clean off the area here. Alright, let's just wipe off this area. Dry up a little bit before we do anything. Yep, keep squeezing for me. Great. Alright, we're going to go in with the first one here, okay? Just going to feel like a little poke. There you go. Try some. There we go. Doing good. You're not feeling lightheaded, right? Good. Okay. Yep, it's a lot of blood work. I'm really sorry. But we've got one more here. Perfect. All right. I am just going to apply some pressure here. Come out. Perfect. Let me grab this Band-Aid here. You can relax your hand now. You don't have to keep squeezing. All right. There you go. Let me undo this tourniquet. Perfect. And you are done with squeezing. Awesome. You'll just keep that Band-Aid on, okay? But as far as the blood work goes, we've collected everything that we need to. I am just going to clean up here for you. And then you should be good to go. And like I said, the provider will come later today to give you the results, okay? Perfect. Do you have any questions for me at all? Awesome, awesome. I'm just going to store all this. And we'll get it sent to the lab. Perfect. You did really good though. Send that to the lab here with your kit. Let me get rid of all this. Okay. Alright, and I'm just going take off my gloves here, but you are all set with me. You did fantastic. All right, do you have any questions at all? Okay, excellent. I'm just going to grab my board here, but you are all good to go, and provider will be in later today when the results are back.